you staring at me?
Can't help it. But it's because you're beautiful. Tell me, Lillian, do you think our meeting again is mere coincidence?
I guess so. What do you think?
I don't think it's mere coincidence. I think it's fate. You know, I was in love with you back in school. My heart was broken when you cut me off. And ever since I met you again, I've been trying to keep my feelings at bay, but I can't help it anymore. I can't do it anymore.
What are you saying?
What I'm saying is that I am going insane. I can't think except I think about you. My greatest desire is always to see you. I am falling hopelessly in love with you. Please, Lillian, will you be my girl? I will love you right this time.
Agama kwasya kawetiera kokaki kini kameo ordinopi no okwa fulongenya eche mnanyi buofio ordinopi no kini kameo.
He's still not picking my calls. He's still not picking my calls. What is all this? Eh?
Something good can turn to bad.
I just hope it's not what I'm thinking. It's not what I'm thinking of. Wait. What if he's not okay? Hey. What if something is wrong? Hey. Nwokoye can never, but he's not okay.
Would you drop it now and turn your back on me? With all my heart to fall in love with you. Everything I gave with love.
Hey! Mama!
What's up?
Hey!
Mama, look at you! Look at you!
Mama! Hey!
Mama, look at you! Mama, look at you! You look good! Mama, I missed you.
I missed you too.
Missed you.
Hey! How?
I'm so happy to see you.
Same here.
Kekimer.
No.
Yes.
Nah, you came back with a car.
Yes, Mama, that's my car.
Hey! Jesus! You didn't tell me it would be this soon. Hey, I greet you. I thank you.
Mama, I am made. Money is no longer out.
Hey, Jesus, thank you.
Yes. God has done it for us.
Oh, nah.
happy to see you.
I
brought so many things for
You did?
So many things.
How, Mom?
Mama.
Turn around. Let me look
Mama,
at
look at me.
Where?
Look at me. I know job has been stressing me out.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
But the thought of you has kept me strong and healthy.
Hey, and it's God. It's God. Mom. Hey. Good to see you.
I brought you so many things.
You brought me so many.
They are in the car.
Let's start.
The car is filled
You're
up.
going to sunshade here. I want to try.
Hey! Mama, it has your name on it.
Hey!
And there's plenty more where that came from.
How does it look?
Dashing!
Absolutely
dashing!
Dashing.
Mama,
Come.
okay,
say photo.
Hey!
No.
Pose Olum. Hey! Mama, pose Olum. Bagam! Abago. Instagram. Instagram, Ozibo. Mama, Rosie. If I know computer age, the world is technologically advanced. There is Instagram, Facebook, everything. Look at you. Mama, look at you.
Negram campus somewhere.
Hey! Oh, Guinea.
Man, who come to the cake?
No, man. I'll get the street.
You're welcome. Can I go back? It's in with you.
If I do moto. Don't worry, we'll pick it up later. If I need
Hey! We have a kind of compound. Hey!
Mama.
Che, Chibuzo. So you're not a car owner. This is wonderful. Hi. Now, wow. Chibuzo. Asingi golibe na Chibuzo.
This is for you.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey. This is for me.
All for you, one name.
Chibuzo manum. Thank you very much, my guy.
You're welcome.
Thank you very, very much, my guy. You see, Chibuzo, it's not like I'm not happy. I'm happy. But I'm beginning to have this feeling like I'm the one, that is carrying last. Among all of us that are friends, it's like I'm the one that is carrying last, and the thing is bothering me. So I'm starting to think whether I will join you people in the town so that you guys can link me up to start doing something meaningful with my life. You see, so that
Well, that's true. I was going to tell you, you need to leave this village.
Okay?
Yes.
Honestly,
and you're even lucky that we, your friends, are already there, established.
Thank you very much.
With us there, it won't take you long to stand on your feet.
Chibuzo.
It's only
it was awesome.
You get something nice and something good for yourself.
Nah, it was awesome, madu. Golibe na Chibuzo. About joining the city, I will start making preparations to join you guys as soon as possible.
Good.
But the problem is, whenever I think about my mother's health, the thing bothers me because if I leave this village now and go to the city, who is going to take care of her for me?
Who is taking care of my mother? Ike, who is taking care of my mother? Look, let me tell you. Our mothers are stronger than we give them credit for.
Okay.
Yes!
You're right.
Nothing will happen to your mother.
You're right.
All you need to do is send her money from time to time for her upkeep. That's all.
You are full of the milk of human kindness. You're a friend. You're one.
So it's true.
Margaret, how are you?
Chibuzo. If you don't mind, I think I'll take my leave now.
Okay.
Maggie?
Chibuzo, you have not been taking my calls for a week now. And then you came back, you did not even bother to check on me. Again, Neme?
It was a very long drive. I was very tired and worn out when I arrived. But I was going to see you before I leave.
Chelo. Chibuzo. What did I do? No, tell me because I need to understand. What did I do wrong? You don't call me. When I call, you don't pick. So, explain to me because I'm floating here. I need to understand what is going on.
Margaret, I am terribly sorry for all that. It's just that my work has been very, very stressful. It's so stressful, time demanding and energy sapping that sometimes I even forget to eat. And then your calls often come in when I'm very busy. And then after that, I forget to call you back. I am truly sorry, please. It's never intentional. But don't worry, I bought you so many things. Come and sit down, let me get it for you.
Would you drop it now and turn your back on me? With all my heart to fall in love with you. Everything I gave with love.
Now, Chibuzo, since you returned, Maggie has not been visiting as often as she used to. Now, Asekwam Kanjua, are you people quarreling?
Mama, she was here today, and we are not quarreling. We are not.
Okay. Okay. I believe you. Mana, what I'm seeing is different. Since you came back, you've not been visiting her. You've not even been asking after her. Rather, you're always on the phone with Onya Namaro. There's somebody you're always talking on the phone with. And I know it's not Maggie. I just want to advise you. Remember your humble beginnings. Margaret was there for you. Remember all she did for you, for us. If not for Margaret, you will not be where you are today.
Mama, don't get yourself worked up. Margaret and I are fine. Mugo.
If you say so. So what do you? So what?
Mama, you have to excuse me. I need to take this call, please. Yeah, what's up? No.
Once he picks the call, he will walk away from me. What's up? I can tell the body movements. How?
Think about the memories we shared. Everything I did for you.
The aroma is killing me
Drop
already.
it now and turn your back on me. With all my heart to fall in love with you. Everything I gave with love. I got my what's
This is the aroma. Come here. So beautiful.
I know.
Let's wait.
Baby.
This is delicious. You're good. You're good in the kitchen, you're good in the bedroom, you're fantastic everywhere. Come on, baby. Let me feed you and make you fat. Okay. Sorry.
No.
Please. Please. Yeah. So sexy.
Think about the memories we shared. Everything I did for you. Would you drop it now and turn your back on me? With all my heart to fall in love with you. Everything I gave with love. I got my wasiaka wetiera kokaki. Kini kamere Ordinopi mo,
Maggie. If you're from Tata. No.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. Mama, it's like Chibuzo went out.
He didn't go out. Chibuzo has gone back to Port Harcourt. Oh, no worry.
He has gone back?
Yes, now.
Hi. Okay. He didn't tell me.
He did not tell you?
No.
How could he? You know, I have been asking him if there's anything wrong between both of you. And I'm asking him, but then he's been acting funny.
Chibuzo has changed. Chibuzo has changed so much. Mama, do you know that Chibuzo hardly takes my call? Chibuzo. I said, if I call him, he will not pick. And he won't even bother calling back. I don't understand anymore.
Let me just ask you a question. Did you in any way offend him?
Mama, if I offended him, that means I don't even know what I did to him. Eh?
Hi.
I don't know.
Don't worry. I will talk to him. I will call him and ask him what the problem is. Enugo?
Mama, if you ask me, I think he doesn't want me anymore. In fact, my mind is telling me that he has gotten himself another woman.
Abulali, or what? What is so special about the woman that Chibuzo would leave you for another woman? No, it cannot happen. Nem, I will fight your battle for you. It can't happen now. Chibuzo or Anumanya. No. Ndewakwa. Ewepu magino fegini disi. It cannot work. Nem Rapu, let me handle this for you. Chibuzo. Enyu atoto nsino noka. Enyu kuzi enyu anke. Kanga liku kwa meme kwaro. Hey! Chibuzo, look at another woman. Which Mbolanya? I got Upia Banya.
Would you drop it now and turn your back on me? With all my heart to fall in love with you. Everything I gave with love. I don't know what's
Why are you crying? Margaret, talk to me. I'm your mother. What has broken you this way? My heart has been shattered. Yeah, what? My heart is shattered. Kedonye baragwa. Onye mewarobia. Enne. The only man I ever loved and cared for unconditionally has deserted me. Oh my God. Ada prof. It's okay. Ada prof. No. Don't worry about him. Men are coming. Suitable men are coming. You will select. I'm assuring you. Ada prof. This is Ada prof. Let's go. Are you know what the Margaret I gave birth to?
haven't told me. Like, has he popped the question?
Not yet, Susie. But I know he will. Soon. I've started seeing the sign.
And I also know that you cannot wait to say yes.
Who will say yes? I know you will say yes. See, let me tell you. I can't wait for that day. I will scream yes that everybody in this office will gather for me.
Lucky you.
Take care.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Alright, have a nice day. Bye. Bye.
Yes, darling.
I'm thinking of going to visit my parents this weekend. My mom is already complaining.
Yes. I think she should be complaining because you haven't been visiting her lately. And she should spank you for that. She should beat you up. Or maybe I can even do it on her behalf. You've been a bad girl. Turn your back. I should do that for her. Do it on her behalf. You've been a bad girl.
Come
Discipline.
So you're taking side with my mom?
Yes. On this part, I am taking side with your mom.
My mom? Maybe you should go and date her. I'm done with you.
Whatever you say. Is that you know?
Maybe you should marry her.
Is that what you're saying?
Better beg me. Beg me, oh.
Please. No, nobody can handle you like me.
Ah. Okay, maybe I should go this weekend.
Weekend. Yes. A weekend is fine. Yes.
Okay.
So, what do you think if I come along with you? I mean, so I can get to meet them.
Really? Are you serious about it?
Yes, of course I'm very serious.
Oh, thank you! Thank you.
In that case, I guess I should start packing.
Go ahead. Please go.
No. I have unfinished business. I have an unfinished
No.
business.
Go pack. I don't want
No. You will help me out. Stay there, let me finish my program.
You butter my bread, oh, you sugar my tea, oh. Now Jesus, oh, now in the rain. You butter my bread, oh, you. Achalugo wanyi n'ebebe. Achalugo. Why is your face like this? Otekwama, please sit down. How is your husband?
My husband is fine.
Thank God.
Just that my daughter is sick.
Maggie Nkem. Ogiri.
My daughter is sick and has not been eating for 2 weeks now.
2 weeks?
I came to tell you that if anything happens to my daughter, I will hold your son responsible. Oguchakwa kọrọ m n'ọnụ. Ọkwa maka ada ama ndị agwara ndị a.
Achalugo. Hey. Maggie Nkem. Sick for 2 weeks only running. Hey. Chiboza alaputam.
Think about the memories we shared, everything I did for you. Would you drop it now and turn your back on me?
Oh my God. Your parents are quite fun to be with. You never told me your dad is a comedian. I was just
Really?
Yes.
My dad was very conservative because it was your first time. You can't stop laughing when you are with my dad.
Well, I must admit, I had a great time. with the food were... Everybody was happy, everybody was fun. Your people are amazing.
Oh, me too. I enjoyed myself. Well, thank you for coming.
Baby, what did you say?
I said thank you for coming.
No way, baby. That's not how to thank me. You know better than that.
How then do you want me to thank you?
You are going to thank me properly when we get home. In the inner room! I'm sure you get my drift.
Bad boy. That won't be a problem. I will do that.
That's my girl. That's my girl.
I will do that.
That's my
I will
girl.
give it to you how you want it.
Woo! I can't wait to get home. Come on. Let's go home, baby. Let's go home. I'm cruising home. What is my mother doing?
She didn't say she was coming.
No. I hope it's true. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm surprised to see you. Good afternoon. Is everything alright?
Now, what is your name?
My name is Lillian.
Mama. Lillian, what are you to my son?
Mama, there's no need for all these questions.
Mba, don't interrupt me. Enodia, Nembiko, answer the question.
I'm his girlfriend.
His girlfriend. I never knew I gave birth to a wicked child. Mama fought again, Millie. How could you? After everything Maggie did for you and I, you had the mind to take another girl. Where? Anyway, Nem, listen. I have nothing against you, but I want to ask you a question. If you take care of a man, train him through school, give him everything he has ever wanted in life, and then you also take care of his mother, financially, socially, politically, emotionally, in any way you can take care of somebody, and at the end of the day, the man boots you, how would you feel?
I would feel bad.
Thank you, Mom. You will feel bad. You've answered everything. Now, my advice to you. Wakolo Naba, pack your things and leave.
Mama, she's not going anywhere.
It's again.
Mama, I will go. Please open your boot. Let me carry my bag.
What are you talking about? Lily!
Open this car. Open
Mama,
your
Mama.
Mama Gini. Chibuzo, Mama Gini. Chibuzo, Mama Gini. Chibuzo, I kept asking you what was wrong between you and Maggie. You kept lying to me. Now the poor girl is very sick in the village. Now, what has come over you? Get it for?
Mama, I appreciate everything she has done for us. But I never promised her marriage. Or did I? Margaret is not the class of woman I want to marry. Yes. I mean, Mama, Negodimanya. Look at me, look at what we've got. We're polished and tushed. And she doesn't belong in that class. Mama, I have found the perfect girl for me. And that is Lillian. And I will marry her. Besides, Margaret is older than I am. I cannot marry someone that is older than me. It's not going to happen.
Chibuzo, shut up. Tell that your mouth to keep quiet. Your tush, Ginibu tush. Who made you tush? Oh, you did not know she was a bush girl when she was busy spending her money on you, Chibuzo. You did not know. Chibuzo, when she was paying your fees for how many years? And taking care of you and providing you with so much, you did not know she was older than you. Now you want to marry Lillian. Only put Lillian one. She's no longer in your class. And you've suddenly realized that she's older than you. Did you not realize she's older than you? Hey! Osino to Kilibutush! Chibuzu the wicked. Chibuzu Wami the heartless. Mama. I can't believe you're my son.
Mama, I won't let anybody blackmail me into marrying someone I don't want to marry. Marriage should be by choice and not by force. I'll be inside.
You made your choice when she paid your way through school. You made your choice when you started spending her money. You made your choice when you started moving around in her bedroom. You made your choice.
He didn't marry you. After all the fighting you did for him, shame on you. You thought fighting and intimidating other girls will make him to marry you. It's what we're gonna see. Let me tell you something. He is going to marry someone more beautiful and more educated than you. By far. Yes, he will. Let me tell you. You better pray, Margaret. You better pray that one great-grandfather marries you. Else, you will end up without a husband. You will die lonely. You will die miserably. And I forget Margaret in Eko for walk. Even like in a weekend.
Sister, stop doing this to yourself.
Hey. rejected suitors because of this boy. I rejected suitors even against our parents' wishes. How? I don't understand. How? Why did he do this to me? Why did he do this to me?
God will bring a better man for you.
Oh! After everything I suffered for this boy, after everything I did for this boy, hey! I want to die.
No, sister, don't say that. You're not going to die.
I want to die. Sister, you can't
die.
I don't want to live again.
Sister, you can't die now. Stop saying that.
This boy shattered my heart. Look at this boy, Mary.
Life is full of ups and downs. Something good can turn to bad. Oh, I'm
Hey,
sister, stop saying that.
Am I giving why am I even living? Let me just die.
Mama,
Let me
Papa,
die.
bring another suit up for you.
Do you know what I suffered for this boy? Again. Margaret, are you not supposed to be at the shop by now?
I am tired. I can't go.
Because of Chibuzo, right? Look, I've told you countless times to forget about that boy. There are men out there. I mean good men, good-hearted men who will welcome you, marry you, and add value to your life. Have I not told you?
I don't want that boy's name mentioned anywhere around me again.
Okay. Cheer up and bring yourself together. You know, girl? That my customer called. She told me that she has arrived from Turkey with clothes and shoes. So let me rush before that, select the fine ones. You know? There's food in the kitchen in case you are hungry. I'll be back shortly. You know, girl? Smile now. Smile for me now. At least it's no bye-bye, no?
Bye-bye.
Cheer up, okay? Not again. Why did I just forget the money I am supposed to give to our CWO chair lady? How am I going to go back now? Ooh.
Okay. Let me call Margaret to bring it from here, please. To avoid this too much stress. Okay. Margaret, speak now. Why is she not speaking? Ooh! Margaret! Margaret, no. Margaret, no. My daughter, please. What do you want to do to me? Is there no more of your love for me? For your father? Why are you only seeing that boy? You're not seeing us. Why do you want to destroy this family? Why? Margaret, if you kill yourself, I will also kill myself. And your father will die of heart attack. Please, don't do this, I'm begging you. Don't do this, please. Because of that stupid boy. Please, I'm begging you, my daughter. Please. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my daughter, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You will not die. Please don't die. Now the laughing stock of the village. I'm sorry. Mom's laughing at me. I'm sorry. They're laughing at me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I did not go to school. That is why I want you to go. I want you to get that university degree that eluded me. I didn't get me a general school, no. I didn't get me a job. Eh? I want you to go to school for me. Before you leave.
Your good news, I...
It's okay. Listen, my father has agreed to help you secure admission in his school.
Hey! It's a lie. Are you serious?
Echem na nyibu ofu, odinobi mo. Gini kamere. Yeah. Life is full of ups and downs. Something good can turn to bad. Oh, I'm hey, yo. Gini kamere. Odino bimo. Onye mo fulundanya.
It's your official apartment. And that car outside is yours as well.
Think about the memories we shared. Everything I did for you. Would you drop it now and turn your back on me? With all my heart to fall in love with you. Everything I gave with love. I got my kwasiaka wetiero kukaki. Gini kameo. Odino bimo. Okwa fulonge nanya. Yeah.
Chibuzo, I know this is hard choice to make. I know. I pray I'm not in your shoes. But if I were in your shoes, Margaret would be my choice. Oh yes. Chibuzo, I remember vividly back then in school. You were chilling, balling, because you had Margaret at your back. She fought for you, which every man will die for. Okay, let's see it this way, because she's not that kind of girl that wears short gowns, skimpy wears, shoes, sneakers. Chibuzo, look at it this way. She's beautiful. Yes, Margaret is a beautiful lady. Okay, let's reverse all these things. Buy all those skimpy wears, short gowns, sneakers, shoes. Pimp her. I am telling you the gospel truth. You will be shocked at our level of transformation. I am telling you. Yes. Think about what I say. And in all, I want you to follow your heart. Drink up. Share up, drink. Stop being in that mood.
I tried my best. I tried convincing Chibuzo, but he would not listen. I tried to remind him of all you had done for him. I tried to make him remember the past. Okaro, he still insisted that he would marry that girl in the city. I don't even know what to do. I can't even believe that Chibuzo wouldn't listen to his own mother. Maggie won't be gone. Maggie don't need to offer him. I'm not going to be thinking. You're going to say something. Shout, do something. Just some kind of reaction. Because Kamali Fedi Nobi. Chibuzo Ila Patakom. I brought you up well. Up one night, I bought what I really messy. Oh, what my kid don't eat off a munayo. Oh, one of my Gano Ronando and young Marondo. Chibuzo gets a camele. Kissing Kebon City or Kapaman in a village.
Okay, come on, is some November. How? Maggie, Biko.
Hello, baby. Are you set? Alright, I'm coming over to pick you. See you then.
Please eat. Eat more.
Mommy, I'm filled up. I'm filled up. I can't eat anymore.
No. No. You need more food. Just look at you. Eh? No more strength.
I'm fine.
Please, let me help you. Please.
No. I can't eat anymore. I'm filled up. My stomach is even paining me.
She was my savior. Without her, I wouldn't have seen the 4 walls of university. She loved me. She loved me more than any woman has ever done before. She loved me with everything she had. Despite all my shortcomings, she never complained. I loved her too, just like I love you. This is the most difficult decision I ever have to make my entire life. Please, forgive me. I beg of you.
I can't believe I'm going to lose you again. I thought you were mine forever. I guess we are not meant to be together. You have my blessing. It will be unfair for me to take you away from me. Just go.
Think about the memories we shared, everything I did for you. Would you drop it now and turn your back on me? With all my heart to fall in love with you, everything I gave with love. Agama kwasiaka wetiera kokaki gini kameo ordinopi no okwa fulunginaya echemani buofu ordinopi.
What are you doing here?
My love, please. I made a grave mistake.
And if you do not get out of this house, I will send you to that grave.
My love, please forgive me. Please. Please. I made a mistake. Please, take me back. Pico, Mama, help me beg her.
I should help you beg the girl you almost killed?
Mama, I am sorry. I didn't know what came over me. I wasn't thinking. Please, I need her back in my life. Without her, my life is empty. Mama, you have to help me, please.
I see. Empty life. Empty life.
Hey! Chima!
Let me kill him!
Margaret! Hey!
What do you want to do? Tell him to leave this house, else I will burn him inside that car! You leave! Get out!
Let me talk to her.
Get out! Come on, get out! Idiot! And if I see your useless leg in this house again, I will cut it off! I will cut it off! I will chop you into tiny pieces!
With all my heart.
No! Leave me! Let me kill him! I want to kill him! Let me kill him! I want to kill him! Leave me! Let me chop off his yellow head! It's okay. Calm down. Calm down. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Hey! Life is full of ups and downs. Something good can turn to bad. Oh, I'm hey, yo,
Margaret. Can I have a word with you? I know you are angry and vindictive. I will not blame you for any action you have decided to take against Chibuzo. I will not.
I was such a fool.
No. You were not.
I was.
No! Please, Mama. Don't even sugarcoat it. If I wasn't so stupid, how come I did not see this disappointment coming? Why was I so blinded by love that I did not see it coming?
Can you look at me? Just look at my face. Love is a beautiful thing. You are not the one stupid, but the one that has refused to appreciate love. Yes, Chibuzo acted foolishly, but I think he has come back to his senses.
Don't tell me that you want to suggest that I forgive him and take him back.
Chibuzo is the man you invested everything you have in. It will be foolish of you to allow anger let you push him away to another woman who will reap the fruits of your labor and investment. Think about it.
But he is already with another woman. His heart belongs to another woman.
I feel he was out of his senses. But this shake-off has brought him back to his senses. So if you had ever loved him, I would advise you to take him back.
About the memories we shared, everything I did for you. Would you drop it now and turn your back on me? With all my heart to fall in love with you. Everything I gave with love, I got. Think about the memories we shared, everything I did for you. Would you drop it now and turn your back on me? With all my heart to fall in love with you. Everything I gave with love.
What do you want?
Baby, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry for toying with your heart all this while. I am here to fix what I broke. Please give me the chance.
The only reason I have not poured hot water on you is because of Mama. Please, don't let me lose my temper. Get out of here!
Because please. Mama. Please.
No. Please forgive him. For my sake. Obul Magia diro ni tofe. Enwero no ofen. Enem. Bikubayalo. These men are always fond of making mistakes. Please. He really loves you. Please forgive him. He has missed you. We have missed you.
Please, baby. I realize I made a terrible mistake. I mean, you made me what I am today. Everyone can attest to that. Your love for me is second to none in this world. I can't live without you, and I don't want to live without you. I can honestly say from my heart that I truly love you. And I will never hurt you again. I will never hurt you again. Please, make me whole again. Please. To spend the rest of my life making you as happy as you've made me. Please, baby. Without you, there is no life for me to live. Mama, because it's your boo-boo, it's your chibuzo. Because in my love, it's your chibuzo, your boo-boo. Please, I am sorry. Please. I will never hurt you again. Never. Let me go. Please,
Everything I gave with love, Agama kwasiaka wetiera kokaki kini kameo odinopi mo okwa fulonginanya echemnanyi buofu odinopi mo kini kameo. Life is full of ups and downs. Something good can turn to bad. Oh, I'm hey, yo, give me come Odinopi mo, onye mo fulundanya. Yeah, opu gini come yo. Think about the memories we shared, everything I did for you. Would you drop it now and turn your back on me? With all my heart to fall in love with you. Everything I gave with love. Agama kwasiaka wetiera kokaki kini kameo odinopi mo okwa fulonginanya. Yeah, echemnanyi buofu odinopi